Hey guys, Chris here with Phantombuster, and in this video we're going to look at the Instagram hashtag search export phantom available on phantombuster.com, which will help us extract the most popular Instagram posts linked to a hashtag or location. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so to get started with this phantom, we want to head on over to phantombuster.com and click on Browse Phantoms. Next, I'm going to use the left-hand margin and click on Instagram, which will sort all the phantoms just for Instagram. And then I'm going to choose Instagram hashtag search export. I'm going to click on the title, and this will take me to the phantom overview page where I'll get a step-by-step breakdown of exactly how this phantom works. And if I click on the tutorial tab, I'll get an exact summary of how to use this phantom and put it to your lead generation strategy. Alright, so now we want to click on Use This Phantom. Now, you should already have the Phantombuster Chrome extension installed on your browser, so as long as you're logged into Instagram, all you need to do is click on Connect to Instagram. Next, I want to click on Save. Next, we want to tell the phantom which hashtags we want to scrape. You have a few options for the input. You can use a single Instagram hashtag. You can use an Instagram location. You can also use the URL of a Google Sheet or CSV file containing a list of hashtags or locations. Just make sure that the CSV file and Google Sheets are publicly accessible. Next, if you're using a spreadsheet with multiple columns, you can tell the phantom the column heading that contains your hashtags or locations. But for now, I'm going to use a single hashtag, #copywriting. You can also click on My Phantoms and use the input from other phantoms that you have running. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as a URL with a single hashtag. Next, I'll click Save. Now here's where you choose the behavior of your phantom. You can choose the number of spreadsheet rows to process per launch. You can choose the number of posts to extract per hashtag. Keep in mind, Instagram allows you to extract a maximum of 5,000 to 9,000 posts in one go. This phantom will not pick up from where it left off between launches, so this is the maximum amount you can scrape per hashtag. If left empty, the phantom will attempt to extract as many posts as possible until hitting the Instagram's rate limit. For now, I'm just going to choose 50. You can also choose the number of posts to extract per launch. Now keep in mind, Instagram allows you to extract a maximum of 5,000 to 9,000 posts in one go. If you leave this empty, the phantom will attempt to extract as many posts as possible until hitting Instagram's rate limit. There's also some advanced settings here where you can remove duplicate posts between different hashtags. You can extract the post owner's profile URL and other post data for each post. Keep in mind, do not use this if you're extracting thousands of posts. Instead, use the Instagram post data extractor phantom. You can also add the total post count to each result, and you can ignore the top posts for each hashtag. There's also an option to rename the results.csv file that gets output, and if you're using a spreadsheet with more than one column, you can tell the phantom which fields you want to keep. But for now, everything looks good here, so I'll go ahead and click Save. Now here's where you choose your launch settings. You can choose to run this manually or repeatedly throughout the day. There's also some advanced settings, or you can choose every time another phantom finishes, or just choose to launch this once. For now, I'm just going to choose manually, and you can also choose your notification settings in case of an error, in case of success, or other advanced settings. For now, I'm just going to choose none. And then under the advanced settings, you can set up a proxy and other critical advanced settings and folder management settings. But for now, everything looks good here, so I'll go ahead and click Save. This will take us to the Instagram hashtag search export phantom console. If I want to launch this phantom, all I need to do is click on Launch. Depending on how many hashtags and posts you're scraping, this may take some time. Alright, so my Instagram hashtag search export phantom is finished running. If I want to get a preview of the data that I just downloaded, all I need to do is click on the eye preview icon. This will show me all of the posts that I scraped for the copywriting hashtag. I get post URL, profile URL, username, full name, comment count, and a host of other data. If I want to download this data, all I need to do is click on Download CSV and choose where I want to save it on my hard drive. All right, so that was the Instagram hashtag search export Phantom. To get started using this Phantom, all you need to do is go to phantombuster.com and create your account. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.